this video I'll share with you different formulas that you can use to calculate the area of the circle, the circumference of the circle, the area of the sector, the length of the arc, and the area of the segment. So I'll start with how can you calculate the area of the circle. So the area of the circle is given by the formula area is equals to pi r squared. So pi represents 3.142 or 22/7. R represents the radius of the circle. So if this is the circle and you have been given this radius as 5 centimeters and you have been told pi is equals to 3.142, so you can calculate the area of this circle. The next thing, how can you calculate the circumference? How can you calculate the circumference of the circle? So circumference is given by the formula 2 pi r, or circumference equals to 2 not 2 but pi d. And the reason why circumference can also be calculated using the formula pi d is because a radius, as you can see from this formula, this one, it represents that in the formula there are two radius, and a combination of two radius forms a diameter. Then how do you calculate the area of the sector? So the area of the sector is given by the formula theta over 360 degrees multiplied by pi r squared. Then if you have been given a circle, you can either be told to calculate the area of the major sector or the area of the minor sector. Let me show you by drawing this circle. So this is, if this is the circle and I have the center of the circle, which is here, and I have a, b, x, or y. So the shaded part represents the area of the minor sector, and the unshaded part represents the area of the major sector. So you can be told to calculate the area of the major sector or the area of the minor sector, or sometimes you can be told to calculate the both sectors. Then how do you calculate the length of the arc? So length of the arc is equals to theta over 360 degrees multiplied by 2 pi r. So this is the formula that you use to calculate the length of the arc. So theta just represents the angle that suspends that arc. Then pi represents, pi can either be 3.142 or 22/7, and r represents radius. And which formula you wow, and which formula do you use to calculate the area of the segment? So the area of the segment is given by the area of the arc minus the area of the triangle. So this will be in this form: theta over 360 degrees multiplied by pi r squared. This is the area of the sector minus the area of the triangle, which is half BH. Thank you very much.